everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get right into the video. So, you guys, I came across some combination of products that I wanted to use. I used it a couple of weeks ago and my hair came out great. And I wanted to share these products with you guys. The first two are the first three products that I used for my wash and conditioning was the Hawaiian Silky 14 in 1 Miracle Worker shampoo and conditioner. The 14 in 1 is gentle cleansing, moisturize, detangle, smooth and seal, define curls, strengthens, provides slip, adds shine, soften, refreshes hair and scalp, prevent breakage, smooth, soothe scalp, promotes healthy hair, scalp for natural and relaxed hair. And you guys, I can contest, I can say that all 14 of these things were done to my hair using all three of these products. I love the shampoo. It lathered up so great. My hair felt so clean. It didn't feel stripped or anything like that. The conditioner was a great detangler. It made my hair soft. It helped to detangle and it helped get it ready for the deep moisture repair mask. And y'all, I slapped this mask on like it was a perm, okay? My hair felt so good, and you can see my hair. My hair is so soft right now. My hair is so soft. You can kind of see the curls already forming and looking good. You can kind of see the shine in my hair. I mean, these three products were great. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the moisture repair mask. The moisture repair mask is with hydrating shea butter. It deeply conditions. It provides rich moisture, replenish and repairs reduced breakage. And I can say that my hair felt so moisturized. It felt so replenished. It just felt so good. And I really loved the conditioner. I loved all three of the Hawaiian Silky 14 in 1 Miracle Worker. So now we're at the point to where I am getting ready to put in the styling products and the Palmer Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner. Oh my God, I love this. Also, I use the Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. I'm gonna tell you about that one too. And then lastly, I use the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Cream Gel. Okay, and right here, this is the cream right here, you guys. It was nice and creamy. And then this one right here is the gel. You guys, this gel has like a purple type color to it. It smells so good. I loved it. So let's talk about the leave-in conditioner. Now you can see how thick it is. Okay, I couldn't even squeeze it out the bottle. I had to take the top off and squeeze the product out that way. The product was very thick, and if you've been with me for a long time, you guys know I love thick, creamy products in my hair. I just feel that it works so much better in my hair than liquids. My hair lasts longer. My curls stay more defined. I just really love the cream products more than I love the water products or the liquid products. And as you can see, the leave-in conditioner is already kind of help. Look at those curls. You can see those curls. My hair feels so soft. And then this is the curl defining cream. You guys, this was so creamy. Oh my God. This crown defining curl cream by Afro Sheen was so creamy. And look at it. Look how it goes on. My hair felt so good. It felt so good going on. And I can feel it on my hair. It's not just staying there in one spot on top. It's going through my hair. Now, this gel, you guys, this gel, I really love this gel. And the Afro Sheen products, they have the flaxseed oil for nourishing, the coconut oil for conditioning, and they have the shea butter for moisture. So, you guys, the Afro Sheen products, I mean, I really, really like these products. I really, really do. The curl cream again was very creamy, and it felt good going on my hair. The gel, The gel did not, it was a lightweight, and it did not make my hair crunchy. It did not make my hair hard or anything like that. It did not flake in my hair. That's the number one thing. It did not flake in my hair. And I used quite a bit of gel because I wanted to make sure that my hair was set and that my curls would last, longer than 2 or 3 days. And it did. My wash and go lasted for at least, I wouldn't say 6 days. So the products work well to get together. The leave-in conditioner by Palmer's. I'm going to go and get the rest of these products because I want to see how the Palmer's products work. They have a shampoo, they have a conditioner, and I have the leave-in conditioner. So I really want to try the Palmer's products. But Palmer's and Afro Sheen work really well together. And here, what I did was, again, my hair was already shampooed and conditioned and deep conditioned. So I just added water to the hair before I put in the styling products, just to kind of, I wanted my hair to be more wet. My hair was kind of drying, so I wanted to make sure my hair was wet so that it would accept the leave-in, the cream, curl cream, and the gel. And as you can see, everything went in really good. Of course, it was white on my hair, but that just dried right on the way. It just dried away. So you guys, I was so excited to share these products with you guys. I really, really enjoyed these products. They really work well together. The Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 was great. All three products, I don't have any complaints. The products did everything that it said that it would do. My hair was shiny. My hair felt great. My hair was really cleansed, moisturized. It detangled. It was just great. So I wanted to give y'all a heads up. In the next clip, you guys, this is third day hair. I don't have anybody's makeup on, so y'all have to forgive me. But it's not about my makeup or anything like that. It's about the hair. So here I'm just placing a gel on my edges and placing it on the root of my hair to kind of help my roots stay longer. And yeah, so you guys, I really, really did like these products. So in this next clip, again, this is third day hair. Okay. Now, third day hair, you do see some frizz going on, but again, this is third day hair. But look at the curls. Look at that shine. Look at the curls. Yes. My hair felt so soft. My hair looks healthy, and my hair felt so soft. It had a lot of body to it. My hair lasted again for 6 days, I think it was. I think it was 6 days. I think I washed my hair like 3 days after this. I washed my hair, and yeah. But my hair felt so good. And again, it's got frizz in it, but it's third day hair. So again, you guys, I'm sorry I didn't have any makeup on for you, but the hair is what I wanted you to see. And look at that body. Look at the curls, look at the body. I just felt good about it. I just felt good about all these products that I use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it shorter for you guys, so and do a voiceover for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up for your girl. Remember, you guys, to stay blessed. Be blessed, be well, and be you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.